welcome back to my YouTube channel Nittur Travels. Today I'm exploring the downtown New York and midtown New York. I'm gonna probably cover the 9/11 Memorial Pools, World Trade Center, Charging Bull and Bryant Park. There are two memorial pools. One is the north pool and the other one is the south pool. So looks like only one of the pool has water in it today. Maybe the other one they don't have it.
Let's go around a little bit.
This is the tree that survived.
Don't climb on it. No, don't climb. Don't climb.
Go down.
If you break the tree, okay, look at daddy.
Jasmine.
There is a 9/11 memorial and museum. We need to plan ahead and purchase the ticket. This is the famous Hard Rock Cafe.